Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you back in the Leaders Odyssey online homeschooling system. Dear students, today we will continue with the generations of computer, and in this lecture you will be able to learn about third generation computer, the time period of third generation computer, the technology that was used in this generation, the features of this generation, what is integrated circuit, IBM System 360, the first mini computer. Third generation computer appeared with the invention and construction of the integrated circuit or IC. That are many transistors connected together. The size and the cost of the computers were further reduced. Assembly was easier and computer speed increased. The most important third generation computers companies are IBM and DEC. Integrated circuit is a single piece of material, usually silicon, that contains dozens, hundreds, or millions of transistors. Integrated circuits hugely increase the speed, efficiency, and price of computers. These electronic circuits formed by constructing electronic computers like transistors, resistors, and capacitors on a small piece semiconducting material that is called as a chip or microchip. Large number of transistors are placed on a single chip. Features. The period of the third generation was from 1964 till 1970s. Integrated circuits were used in these generation computers. The integrated circuit was invented by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. Its size was even smaller the previous generations than the previous generations of computer. It used less energy, less electricity, produced less heat as compared to the previous two generations of computer. It used fan for heat discharge to prevent damage. Great reduction in the cost. Maintenance cost was low because hardware failure was rare and it was less expensive. Even faster, and it could calculate data in nanoseconds. The instructions to the computers were written in high-level language instead of machine language or assembly language. It was more reliable, good storage, better accuracy. In third generation computers, input is given through keyboard and output is displayed on monitor. It was totally general purpose computers. Air conditioning was also required. Its examples are IBM System 360, DEC, and PDP-8. IBM System 360. One of the most significant computers developed on this generation was the System 360, which was introduced in 1964. This was not a single system but a line of 5 computers which were compatible with one another. The IBM System 360 was also the first computer which had an operating system. Operating system is a program supervisor responsible for the coordination of the various systems parts and makes the program accessible for the user. Dear students, operating system also allows different applications to run simultaneously or at the same time. This is IBM System 360 third generation computers. You can see over here. The first mini computers. In 1960s, a company named Digital announced a small high-speed digital computer called the PDP-1. In April 1965, 5 years later, from the PDP-1, they presented the PDP-8. It was the first mass-produced mini-computers in the world. Its price was $18,000 and it consumed 780 watts. Another important feature of this PDP-8 was that the entire central processor was contained on one 15-inch printed circuit board. This is the picture of digital PDP-8 computer. Students hope that the third generation computer, its features, examples, uh, everything about third generations are very clear to you. Watch the video and comprehend. At least 3 to 4 times watch the video. And take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.